This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Brooke Conley. Relish in maintenance-free living when you step into this turnkey home in the heart of Virginia Beach. Located in the heart of Princess Anne Plaza, this freshly renovated home boasts about 1,500 square feet of functional living space. The property features a beautifully updated open kitchen with an island, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. A coffee bar and breakfast area open to the main living space, which features vaulted ceilings, LVP flooring, a wood-burning fireplace, and a sliding door that opens to the backyard, outdoor entertaining area. All in all, with close proximity to naval bases, interstates, shopping centers, and schools, this home is move-in ready and provides convenient access to all that Virginia Beach has to offer. For more information, review the details below.